제 가방 안엔 굳은 다짐이 the backpacker 우리는 backpackers yeah we the backpacker 내가 묻은 신발이 바래져도 backpacker 우리는 backpackers 출발은 언제나 겁없이 시작부터 맨발 내 눈에 싹 다 basic 보다와의 step pipe 펴진 내 black tie 프로젝트만 necktie.
What's up guys, James here. So we're here today to know what are the use of these hand tools. By the way, hand tools are manual tools used by hand without electricity or motors to perform tasks like cutting, shaping, fastening, and measuring. They are commonly used in construction, repairing garden, and mechanical work. So we have here is a ruler and a ballpoint pen. Ruler. What is the use of ruler? It's used for measuring length or distance in centimeters or inches. For drawing straight lines, used in math, drafting, technical drawing, and crafts. So, how to use ruler is you have to measure each side. For example, in a bond paper, you have to measure each side a measurement first. You have to point out where is the measure is, and you just have to line it straight to make a straight line. And it is depend on what are you going to draw. Ball, pen, pens. There are different kind of pens. A ball pen, gel pen, fountain pen, roller ball pen, full tip pen, highlighter, and so on and so forth. So we have here is a ball point pen. It is an oil based, used every day for writing because it's smooth, dries quickly, long lasting, doesn't smudge easily. Thank you.